Here are 3 questions that came up in our group workday. First of all, if are using the flamethrower VFX as on your cargo ship, you might notice that they trail the ship just fine as we're moving the ship. However, if we want to adjust, say, one of the components, the thrusters for the object to land, they don't track as well. They are instead linked to the ship, and that fortunately is an easy fix. So up here on let's select flamethrower 7, cut it, select your ship, go down to the thruster D, and we'll paste that in. Then do the same with number 8, cut it, go down to thruster D, and paste. Once we have the objects pasted in, let's make sure they are child of this object. And this seems to be a 2-step process. First, you have to make it a child of the cargo ship. Then you have to make it a child of the thruster itself. Then we will need to move them into proper location. Just simply pull it back over to our desired location. May have to change rotation to get it back to how you want it in your scene. It's a little bit more work. If we do this at the beginning instead of later, it does give us the effect that we're looking for. Let's rotate that. And then with just a little bit of tweaking, we get our thruster working the way we want it to, so that when we go to land, it'll look more realistic with the thrust following the thruster itself. The second question that I received was, can we attach other objects to a rig rail? Well, yes you can. Put your rig rail in, set your path. Here I've got the path for the ship coming in to land over on the landing strip, and then we can just simply adjust our ship to move along. I do need to, looks like, make some more adjustments to my thrusters. You will need to adjust the rotation of your ship as you're going in but that's easy to do inside your sequencer. Again, you can use rig rail, crane, any of those tools for other objects in the environment to have a smooth transition inside your scene. And the final question that I had was about the controls. If the controls are currently on, your animation controls are currently on one of the elements, you will not be able to add animation. The simplest way is just simply to remove the controls. Then you can apply any animation that you want to the object without any real problems at all. So then you can select from any of your animation assets. On our next video, we'll be looking at what the students in my class have created on this first project on learning virtual production.